In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your business portfolio ID in Facebook Business Manager. This ID is really important whenever you're working with agencies, support teams, or connecting external tools to your Meta business assets. Knowing exactly where to find it will save you a lot of time and back and forth later on. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by visiting the Meta Business homepage or by using the direct link if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account, the one that has access to the business you want to manage. If you have multiple businesses in your account, double check that you've selected the right one from the business selector at the top. Once you're in Meta Business Suite and looking at your business home screen, look towards the left-hand side of the page. Here, you should see a menu with several options. What you want to do is click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your business, where you can manage users, pages, ad accounts, and all the core business details. After the settings page loads, look again to the left-hand column. You'll see a list of different settings sections grouped by category. In that left-hand menu, find and click on Business Info. It's usually located towards the top of the column, and it's the section that contains all your high-level business details, like your business name, address, and IDs. When you click Business Info, the main panel on the right will update. At the very top of this page, in the first section, you'll see your business name along with your profile icon or logo. Just below your name and icon, you'll see a line that says Business Portfolio ID, followed by a number. That number is your Business Portfolio ID. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct business. If you manage more than one, the ID will be different for each portfolio, so it's a good idea to label or store this number somewhere safe for future reference. You can copy it directly from this section whenever you need to share it with a partner, an agency, or a support representative. And that's all there is to it. You've now found your business portfolio ID inside Facebook Business Manager using Meta Business Suite, and you know exactly where to come back to whenever you need it again.